Thank you. She made them.
You're the arts and craft. My wife is just the same. Can't get it out of the blood. No?
Temperature, Mike.
Look how cute his little badge is.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Look at the car. Go next to the car.
I'll go next to it. You have a picture next to it?
Oh, I think they
Bye. Michael.
Look at Daddy.
All right, come on.
Michael, what does that say?
Legoland, everyone.
Thank you.
Wait. Wanna go see him? Go see him.
You want a picture, Michael? Get over there. How cute. Oh my God, I want those.
Here, look here. Look here. 1, 2, 3. The pirate over here. Oh, look at the guy over there.
Oh.
You guys want to go over this one too?
Look at Lego. I'm getting a picture with Lego friends. Look at the pirate.
Which one you want, the pirate or this guy?
Michael, look, they're all building up there.
You like that one?
Look how cute. She's building the Lego sign. That one's painting. Lloyd.
Lloyd. Oh yeah, there's Lloyd. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Hold on. Cheese. All right. Wait till you see what's inside. You guys want a picture with it or what?
Over here, the dragon.
Come on, photo. Hey, look, Mike, get a picture, Mike. My picture. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Nice.
What is that?
Here we go.
All right, here we go, guys.
Wow, look at all the little tiny bricks, Michael.
Come on, who's coming with me?
We didn't even get in yet.
I'm going to Legoland. Who's going with me?
Michael, what does that sign say, Michael? Awesome. Look at the dinosaur. I know.
Hi.
I don't know if they have much Emmett here.
You guys want to get your own thing?
There you go, Mike. Grab your lanyard.
Michael.
Thank you.
First to play.
We got a special lanyard.
First to play. Legoland Resort.
We're the first
York.
ones.
Have a good day. Thank you.